we will discuss about the limits. So basically the limit is actually the value that a function approaches as x tends to some value a. Mathematically we write it as limit x tends to a fx is equal to L, where capital L is the limit of the function fx as x tends to a. Now there are two types of limit. First is the left hand limit and second is the right hand limit. So the left hand limit is written as limit x tends to a minus fx, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f a minus h. In left hand limit we find out the values of limit when the value of x is less than a, hence we write it as a minus h. The opposite of this is a right hand limit, in which we write limit x tends to a plus fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f a plus h. Notice that here we take x greater than a, so we write it as a plus h. When left hand limit and right hand limit is equal to L, then limit exists, otherwise limit does not exist. Some important rules of limit are as follows. First is the summation or subtraction rule. If two functions fx and gx are operated by by addition or subtraction, then when we apply the limit on these functions, then we can write it as limit fx separately and then plus or minus limit gx separately. Similarly, when there is a product function fx into gx, we apply limit and we write it as limit fx dot limit gx, and same for division rule. Now one very important thing is that we should never obtain a form in which there is following terms: 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 1 to the power infinity. Such terms are called as the indeterminate form. For such type of problems, we use L'Hospital rule. So whenever we get an indeterminate form of, let's just say for example 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then what we do is that we differentiate numerical and denominator, we differentiate numerator and denominator separately, and then we apply the limits. And if again the limit comes as indeterminate form, then we again differentiate numerator separately and denominator separately. So in this way we can move forward. There are standard formulas you can learn about limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is equal to 1, such type of we can go on. In the next lecture we will discuss about the continuity. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.